Welcome back to the channel on YouTube. We are in Bury St Edmunds today. I'm just going to take a little loop around Bury, just for the fun of it. And then we're going to head down through Lavenham, I think, towards Sudbury. A little ride out. It's a bit of a grey day, but yeah, it's okay. So it's warmish. We are expecting rain this afternoon, hence I'm thinking to myself, you know, let's get out for a quick spin, because tomorrow could be a complete bust, and who knows? No, that's just going my way. Right, Wales trip. It was a bust in terms of two wheels. Let's give you some updates. Alright, so yeah, so that long loop I planned, yeah, never come to fruition. The Friday, the weather was looking decidedly rough for the Sunday, and it was coming back, in fairness, in the car. But yeah, the traffic, I'd taken, you're from Bury, taken the A14, Birmingham, M42 South, M5, M50, right? And it was chocker all the way. It was hard going, I'm going to be honest. So road works and just heavy traffic. Yeah, you know, I would much prefer to be on two wheels, let's be honest. But yeah, let's pop down here. Go past the Abbey. Oh, look at the traffic down here. Shouldn't be surprised, it is a Saturday, but yeah, must be mindful about the way I'm turning my head, because I don't want to make you particularly nauseous having to watch this. Alright, so yeah, the bells are ringing in the Abbey. I wasn't expecting this. Well, it's a pretty town, Bury St Edmunds, so the Angel Hotel, looking very nice. There seems to be some demonstration over there. This is sign of the times. Anyway, we're waffling, Simon, so get back to the point. So, update, stage 1 in, done. Dynojet sorted me out with a license. Full story on this one is somebody had bought the unit and returned it, and surprisingly was able to transfer the license off the device and then returned it. Whether that was deliberate, accidental, whatever, I'm not quite sure, but the Dynojet sorted it all out, and yeah, that was an interesting experience. But yeah, the customer services team, Dynojet, in fairness, yeah, were very good. So that's in. DB killer is out. The exhaust is it's not raucous by any means, and I think everybody knows that about the Screamin Eagle exhaust. It is not the loudest, and I didn't want that, as I've talked about previously, but with my earplugs in, I can hear it now, whereas I couldn't before with the OEM. So so I'm super happy, right. It's been a long week, in fairness. So last weekend I did over 500 miles in the car, and yeah, coming back on the M4 from South Wales. That, you know, I'd taken the A14 to Birmingham and around and down on the way, and come back via the M4, which is the more traditional route for me. And you know, historically, to get back to South Wales. Coming back, and it was raining hard, and the outside lane was a husband and wife on a heritage softail, German plate. Ooh, Simon, what have you done here today? This could have been a huge mistake for a little ride by. Yeah. Thank you. The lady let me out. Well done. We are going to take a detour. We're going to fight our way through town. The guys are heading into town. That's going to be awkward. Right, so what we're going to quickly do here, we're going to pop out onto the A14 eastbound and come back in at Bury East and then take the road to Sudbury / Lavender. Traffic in this country has gone a little crazy, right? It is the tens of millions of people that live here now.